In this video, I am going to share a Pensight Referral Code, which will give you a flat 40% discount on Pensight's Pro plan. To apply the code, you need to visit Pensight using the first link down below in the video description. That is our referral link, and as soon as you visit Pensight using that link, the discount will be applied. Next, you only need to click on this Claim Discount button. Next, you need to choose your Pensight URL here, and then click on Continue button. Next, you need to set up your Pensight page. You can upload your picture, add your name and a slogan as well. And just like this, you need to follow all the steps until you reach the pricing page of Pensight. Here, you'll see two pricing plans. The Pro plan is good enough to get started, and then you can upgrade your plan if needed. If you pay on yearly basis, you'll save 20% right away. You can try any plan for the 7 days and then decide if it is the right fit for you or not. Once you choose a plan, you'll be taken to the checkout page. If you have used our referral link, you'll see that the referral code is already applied here. And now, instead of the $29 plan, you only need to pay $17 for the first 2 months. And you also get the 7-day trial, and after that, you'll be charged $17 per month. Next, you only need to enter your payment info here, and then make the payment. Make sure to use our referral link so that you don't miss the discount. Subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in my next video.